Hello and welcome friends to a very interesting session in which we will see silly mistakes to avoid in GMAT, and this if you avoided you will score very high in GMAT. And believe me friends, this mistake was even committed by Chat-GPT. So friends, we'll just go and we'll see what you will get in this video is you will get an opportunity to solve a good question, and you can check your response, then understand where Chat-GPT and human can commit a silly mistake and key points to score good. And I promise you friends, this video will be less than 10 minutes. And friends, going any further, I am Rajiv Ranjan Jha. And friends, now we move directly to the question. See, the question is in front of you. You can pause my video here, solve yourself, and then check your answer. Now, friends, I go to the question and solve it. So, friends, let me take my pen here. Okay, now I'm ready with my pen. So, the questions, I will read it for you. First part of the question, first we read. A box contains a total of 56 balls of red and blue color in the ratio of 3:5. Second part we'll read after that. So red is two blue balls. First thing, friends, if this type of questions are generally asked in probability, but this is not from probability, this is from ratio and proportion. Okay. So now red and blue colors 3:5. So we can take red colors as 3x and blue color balls as 5x. What is the total given? Total is 56. From this, you can get 8x is equal to 56. So you get x is equal to 56 by 8, that is 7. So how many red and blue balls were there? 3 into 7. And this was 5 into 7. Up to this point, most of you must have worked. 21 is to 35 were the red and blue balls. Fine. So now what happens? What is the least number of red balls should be removed from the box which such that the ratio of red and blue balls is less than 2:7. So what happens? These blue balls are not removed. So this will be 35 only. And the new ratio is in 2:7. So 7 times of A, we are using algebra here, that it is 35. So A becomes 35 by 7, A becomes 5. So this is twice of A. Okay, so 2 into A is 5 is to 35. So we get 10 is to 35. Now you see, check the ratio is, if you divide both by 5, you get 2 is to 7. Okay, so to get the final answer, what we will do is commit a mistake here, which ChatGPT also did. 21 minus 10 means initially the red balls were 21, now it is 10. So the final answer, we will mistakenly take it as 11 or mark this option as correct option. So I will show you friends that same mistake was committed by ChatGPT. You see the same question I have asked to ChatGPT. It is now in your screen. You see the response. I'm not showing you the details, this thing, but first response, it has done the same thing, 21, and you see 21 minus 10, that is 11 balls. So, and what it is writing, the least number of red balls to be removed is 11, which corresponds to the option C, which is wrong. Okay. So now you see, then I put a prompt here. Don't you think if you remove 11 balls, the ratio will be 2:7? It will be not less than 2:7. So what was the final response you see from the Chat GPT? It's right. Initially, we have 21 balls. For the number of red balls to be less than 10, we must remove at least 21 minus 10, 11 plus 1, 12. So 12 is the correct answer. Okay, friends. So now we go to the question. It has to be 12. Option D has to be the correct answer. This one. Okay. Just let me write. Yeah, sorry. This option has to be the correct answer. And mistakenly, we will mark this even after solving up to this point. So friends, now we go from here to this key points for scoring high in GMAT. First thing is you need to avoid silly mistakes. Otherwise, your scores will drop very drastically. Read faster. And I tell you friends, if you are a fast reader, you can develop this by reading a lot of comprehensions. Then you will be, comprehensions of that verbal section and quant. Then you will be very good in DI automatically, because data interpretation section is from the quantitative reasoning and from the verbal section. Then how this will happen? It is nothing but practice makes you perfect. And friends, finally, before going, I am tutoring many students online from our country and from USA and other countries. So what I do is I give this timings as per your geographical time, the time which is convenient for both of you. So friends, this is my number. You can either call me or WhatsApp me, as I am from India. My country code is +91. And this is his number is 733 751 2229. If you friends feel that I may help you in scoring high, so you may please contact me. Thank you and good luck, friends, for your GMAT journey.